As we look into the night sky, something very big is happening that might change its appearance forever. Scientists and astronomers from around the world are raising alarms about a surprising change in Polaris, the famous North Star. Important experts like Neil deGrasse Tyson have confirmed that this well-known star might not stay the same for long. In the vast cosmos, this discovery has disturbed many in the astronomy community. For centuries, Polaris has held a strong position in the sky, shining as a steady light above the horizon. It served as a guide in the dark, helping travelers, sailors, and explorers find their way. This bright spot has always been stable in the heavens, making it valuable for mapping the stars and calculating celestial positions. But now, this stability is in danger, possibly changing how we see the nightscape. Many scientists are urging the public to take this change seriously. If Polaris shifts or disappears, it could affect how we understand and view the universe each night. Astronomers say Polaris is nearing its final stage, something that's been feared for a very long time. It's not just a bright spot in the sky, it's been a guide for centuries. Its location made it essential for navigation across oceans and deserts. People would gaze at the horizon, searching for Polaris to find direction. But according to a recent report from the Royal Astronomical Society, Polaris may be closer than ever to an explosion. This might lead to its complete disappearance from the celestial dome. Before we dive into the possible effects, we must first understand what Polaris really is. It sits near the celestial North Pole and appears to stay still in the night sky. Polaris is part of the Ursa Minor constellation and shines as a yellow-white supergiant, much larger than our Sun. To our eyes, it seems like a single star glowing in the heavens. But in reality, Polaris is a triple star system, with 3 stars working together in a complex dance in the sky. The main ones, Polaris A and Polaris AB, form a binary system, while Polaris B orbits them both. Their gravitational pull on each other causes changes in brightness, movement, and other features in this stellar scene. If this balance breaks, it can cause sudden changes in how Polaris behaves. Polaris is located about 323 light-years from our planet. This means the light we see from it tonight started its journey in the early 1700s, through deep space and time. Because of this delay, if Polaris has already exploded, we wouldn't see it until the light reaches us. It's like a time machine shining from the stars. Polaris was always used to guide journeys, track seasons, and bring comfort during long nights. It also has cultural meaning, symbolizing hope and direction in many traditions. But lately, scientists noticed strange activity in Polaris. Its light flickers oddly in the sky, no longer matching its usual rhythm. Its brightness goes up and down in irregular patterns, catching the attention of astronomers watching from observatories around the world. These are signs that Polaris may be reaching the final part of its life cycle. One unusual change is a 4.5-second increase in its pulsation period. While that may sound small, it's a huge signal in the world of astronomy. Many believe the triple system's gravity might be pressing against Polaris's core, causing these strange shifts. Others think it means Polaris is preparing for a supernova, which would be one of the most powerful cosmic events we could witness from Earth. Some experts compare this behavior to Betelgeuse, a red star in the Orion constellation that also acts oddly. Betelgeuse dimmed and brightened, sparking fear that it too might soon explode. NASA has been closely monitoring Betelgeuse, waiting for any supernova signs. But with Polaris, there hasn't been any formal tracking, which adds to the mystery and the stars. Like all stars, Polaris is going through its natural life cycle. It starts off cool and small, then reaches a long, stable phase burning hydrogen in its core. Eventually, stars like Polaris become red giants, heating up and glowing brighter until they finally collapse in a supernova blast. If Polaris does explode, it will light up the night sky in a way never seen before. People might see its glow for days, weeks, or even months. The colors may change, making the constellations like Ursa Major and Ursa Minor look completely different in the northern part of the skyline. This would change our familiar star map forever. But don't worry, even if it explodes, Polaris is too far to hurt anyone on Earth. Experts say the physical impact will not reach us. So while the event might be spectacular, it will be safe for people watching from their backyards or using telescopes. Though it may not be as flashy as Betelgeuse, Polaris would still outshine many nearby stars, possibly becoming the brightest object in the nightscape. This rare cosmic moment would stay in the memories of a whole generation. Stargazers across the globe would look up and see a celestial firework. To stay updated, always follow news from space agencies like NASA and trusted astronomy groups. They share information from satellites, telescopes, and other tools watching the galaxy. Polaris remains a puzzle. Whether this is its end or the start of a new astronomical era, no one knows for sure. But the world is watching with hope and curiosity. The sky is more than just lights, it's a storybook of time, change, and mystery unfolding before our eyes. And Polaris may soon write its final chapter. This could be the most important space event of our lifetime, reshaping our understanding of stars, light, and cosmic beauty. As we continue to gaze upward, we become part of this historic moment. Our connection with the stars grows deeper with every twinkle in the firmament. The night sky is changing, and so are we, as we learn, wonder, and dream under the glow of the universe. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.